This is a short tutorial that will show you how to copy selected items from one Canvas course site to another Canvas course site. I'm going to start from the dashboard, and I use the word import very purposefully because what you're doing in Canvas when you're making a copy is you're actually importing material from one site into another site. So to start the process, you want to be in the destination site where you're going to be copying the material into. So I'm going to use my FBX Sandbox 4 as my destination site. So I click on that, and you're going to see that this is basically the standard empty Canvas course site that everyone gets at the beginning of the semester. It's got the homepage template, and it's got all of the different areas in the navigation, but there's nothing here. There's no modules, there's no assignments, there's no syllabus. So it's just empty. And I want to import the content from another Canvas course site into this one. So I'm going to go to Settings, and then when I get to Settings, I'm going to go to the right hand side and select Import Course Content. Then I've got to select the content type, and I'm going to copy a Canvas course. And then I have to type in the course name. So you can do this pretty easily. If it's like a nursing course, you can type in NUR, NSG, and it will bring up a list of all of those courses that you have access to. Same thing for English, same thing for math. In this instance, I know that all my sandboxes start with the letters FBX. So I'm going to type in FBX. And it's going to bring up a drop down that shows all of the Canvas course sites that I have that have a name that start like that. And you can see I've got quite a few, but the one that I want to use is this FBX Sandbox 01 from spring of 2019. So I select that, and then instead of selecting all content, which I don't want to do, I only want to select specific content. So I'm going to check that box, and I'm going to click Import. So now you'll notice that it's come up for me to import, but it says it's waiting for a selection. So I'm going to click the Select Content button. Now you'll see a list of all the content that I have in that FBX Sandbox 01 Canvas course site. So you can see if I open this up, you can see I can see all the modules. It shows all the modules that are there. It shows the assignments that are there. And I can select any of this that I want to have imported. So in my particular instance, I want to just bring in Module 1. But I could bring in multiple things. I could bring in Module 1, and then I could say I want Module 4. And then maybe I want to bring in quizzes. And you can see I can check multiple boxes. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to bring in Module 1. And then I'm going to click Select Content when I'm ready. You'll see that it's queued up down here under Current Jobs. And then you'll see that it's running the job. And then it should show that the job is completed. Now this process here may take a while. Once it's queued up and is ready to go, you can leave this site and you can go do something else or go to another website and come back and check it later. Right now it's going to run, it should run pretty quickly, but if this is the week before classes start and everyone around the world who's using Canvas, everyone's importing content into their courses, this process can take up to several hours to complete. But you can see this one's running pretty quickly. And if I'll wait on it just another second, it should come and show me a completed message. So we'll give it just another second to see if it'll do that. And there it is, completed. And now if I go under modules in this course, I should see Module 1. And yes, there it is. Module 1 is there, and all the content from Module 1 is in my course. And that's how you select specific content from one Canvas course site and import it into another one.